Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how I'm going to close my pool, especially since my power just went out. Now, my power went out for a total of 4 hours, but I didn't want to take the risk, so I went ahead and started to unplug things. Typically people will say to just keep the pump running, but when the power is intermittent and you don't know when it'll go out again, here's some tips that I have for you. This is what my pool looked like as soon as the pump stopped running. So there's a lot of ice, there's some water around where the jets were running, but other than that, I gotta take care of this quickly. So I went into the room where the breaker stored, found the pool breakers, and turned those off. Next, at the pool box, which happens to be located outside, I'm setting this timer out of the range of the running operations, so the pool doesn't accidentally kick on when temperature is warmer later. At the top of the pool filter, I'm using a wrench to open this manual release valve counterclockwise. Now I'm pouring room temperature water on top of the pump lid, and then on the chlorinator lids as well. I'm using a rubber mallet to turn the pump lid counterclockwise. Then what will happen is the water level will sink inside the pump, and then I'll be able to remove that pump lid. This pool pump has 2 drain plugs. That was one, and this is the other one. Then we'll remove the pump basket. Chlorinator lid comes off next, and I'm taking the whole assembly as well. And at the bottom of the chlorinator, there is this black drain plug. For the pool pump, I couldn't just use a screwdriver like normal, so I'm using this wrench and this set of pliers. Those 2 tools allowed me to remove this drain plug, which was much more stuck than usual. And given that I see some ice in there, I'm using some room temperature water and then just pouring it into there, and that made the flow a lot faster. So I'm trying to release as much water as possible. Next we have this drain plug on the pool heater. I'm just turning that counterclockwise as well. And now just a quick recap. I've removed the plug from the pool heater, then I went to the chlorinator and removed that drain plug, as well as these 2 lids. On the pool pump, removed the lid and the 2 drain plugs there. And then on the filter, I removed this drain plug, as well as the pressure relief valve at the top. I should also mention that I took the pool pump basket as well, and now I'm reaching into the skimmer and taking out the skimmer basket. If you have a visible valve like this spa return valve, you could remove this as well. I still have a lot of ice left in the pool, so I'm going to use a shovel and remove as much ice as I possibly can. I removed probably about 60% of the ice. I still have that big chunk remaining and then some in the spa. And I'm going to go ahead and cover it using a pool cover. So this is a pool cover that I have just sitting around. Since the air is a lot colder than the water, if I cover it, I'm hoping that that heat can be retained in the water itself and it won't freeze any further. So guys, with the little setup that I've made here, if I touch the edge, it's definitely icy. If I press on anywhere in this cover, it still has water down there. So that's still a good sign. And then I checked under the skimmer right here, and you're still able to move around the water. So I'm just hoping that in 2 days, I can get away with the plumbing not freezing all the way through. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. This is the list of things that I did to my pool. And I want to show you also some responses that I got from other pool owners as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.